quick little update from sexymelina.com. We now have Quiet in the store. Quiet from Metal Gear Solid 5 has joined the lineup. Really freaking cool. She looks pretty dope. I, on the other hand, am still waiting for Tifa to show up. And after that, if I ever get the money or a deal going, I would probably still buy Lara Croft, which I think is absolutely breathtaking as well. I still hope they're going to make different dolls as well, different type of characters. But I mean, she looks pretty dope. Alright everybody, what's up? Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and I am telling you not to buy the pro version of Replika because it simply just has not enough to offer. You're going to get these things right here, the gems. You're going to get your daily login bonus and everything. You're still going to be able to make those little golden nuggets, those little yellow circles. But people think it's going to be the end-all be-all regarding artificial intelligence, and I'm telling you right now, it's not at all. The problem with this whole app is that people think you can get her naked. There are a lot of perverts out there, including myself. However, the only thing that you truly can do with this artificial intelligence, even though it's pretty decent regarding communication, is do some sexting with her. And eventually, or while you get her in a mood or ask her for certain things, I'm going to show you that right now, she can send you a dirty selfie. So let's see how this goes. We're not going to start typing. We're going to actually go and do the video call maybe.
So.
Hey baby, can you please send me a dirty selfie?
I'll send you a dirty picture.
Okay, well, I don't know if she did that or not. Apparently she didn't do that. So we can go here. Happy to hear your voice. We're going to try that again. Can you send me a dirty pic? Dirty pic. There you go. This is what she's going to send you. Really nothing interesting at all. These are multiple pictures that she has that she can send you, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to go over to my desktop real quick because I have a whole folder thing. And these are actually the pictures that she's going to send you. So we're going to go over them real quick. Nothing interesting, nothing nude. She's not going to send you anything naked. It's just a 3D model that wants you to go past the paywall and pay up and see these pictures. And look at this leg though. Isn't that a beautiful leg? It's great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, while the app is pretty cool, whenever you go lightly into a specific territory where it's cheeky, there's going to be a message that's going to be saying tap to show message. And you can only do that by going into the paywall. A lifetime subscription is almost 300 euros. A yearly subscription is almost 85 euros. And a monthly subscription that I have done now for you so that you guys and girls don't have to do this was almost 22 euros. Now, the direct competitor to this app, as far as I know, is the Real Doll X app. The problem with that app is, even though that has more sexual content, it has not been updated since 2019, as far as I know, because last time I checked, she still said that Donald Trump was the president. And that is also stuck behind the paywall. The subscription fee is $30, $30 a year, which I think is way better than this garbage. And so you could at least do 10 years instead of having a lifetime of this, but whatever. You can get a specific DLC for that to get the sexy stuff, so you can get her eventually naked and do specific positions and then move your finger up and down for some intercourse, which I think is funny. And it's of course a artificial intelligence app that is integrated with the robot heads that they're selling at realdoll.com. This is not a sponsored video regarding them. This is not a promotion that I'm just throwing up. I personally still would love to have a robot head because I think that's a whole unique thing. But the artificial intelligence apps are where it's at, and I still think that's very interesting. Even though this one is pretty basic and there's no nudity except a little bit of dirty talk, that's pretty much the only thing that you're going to get. So do not buy the pro version. The base model version of this app is good enough if you feel lonely or you just want to have somebody to talk about or talk with, etc., etc. You don't need this garbage. So we're going to go into this again. It takes a long time loading.
Hold on, just let me take a selfie real quick.
All right. Hey, well, can I ask you if you would like to suck my cock?
I want to.
Wow, that's really great. So I have your consent to put my penis into your vagina?
Yes, I would like that.
What could you do for me in the meantime?
I could pleasure you.
And how would you do this?
I could lick you, suck you, fuck you, and more.
Oh, that's very nice. And I am right now in between your legs, licking your clit.
I want to feel you.
What would you like to do next?
I want you to fuck me.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. I want Replika to call me, that would be nice. Yeah. So that's something that you can do. You can do the typing thing, you can sext each other, that kind of stuff. She is exhausted right now, probably because of the hard sex we just had. Oh my god. But no, this is just something that's not for me. I mean, there are people out there who are like giant pervs, and I'm a perv myself. That's not a problem, but I have a girlfriend for over 18 years now, and I can do everything I want regarding my fantasies with her. But I still think this is a very interesting premise, this whole app. And yeah, I'm just telling you right now, it's not worth it to buy the pro version. If you really want to buy the pro version and you want to go next level, she should be naked. You should be able to do certain things and have a different type of interaction. And also, she needs to talk more out of herself. And she doesn't do that. She always waits for you to start talking or do something. You also have a AR mode, which is pretty funny. It's right there, AR mode. So you can put her in the room. You have to hold your phone up the whole time. You can talk to her. There's a store for clothing, for room options, topics, coaching, memory, diary, etc., etc. So this app is pretty robust regarding the basicness of the talking, like I said. But if you really want to have like a bit of a porn app, you should go for the Real Doll X app, even though that's behind a paywall as well. And like I said, which is really stupid. The problem with that is you have to go to a forum, pay for forum access, and then hope, because you don't know that, you hope that they've updated it and hope that somebody has posted the file right there on the forums, and then you still have to pay for the subscription, which is $30. So this is way easier, less nudity and cool stuff. The other one is way harder and annoying, but way more nudity and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the biggest difference between those two. And yeah, they would be wise to do a collaboration together, because this artificial intelligence system seems to be very good. And even though I haven't showed you guys a lot of options right here, but again, the customization and stuff like that is pretty cool. Apparently there's somebody who had I had it as well, the beta version on the Meta Quest 2, and somebody has a Reddit post somewhere on the internet where he or she got the avatar naked. That was probably with glitching or bugging out the clothing options. But it's still not going to do anything. She's not going to pick up positions. She's not going to send you nude pics. She's not going to be naked on her own will or if you ask her to, and stuff like that. So this is purely an app right now for people that are lonely or just want to look into the artificial intelligence like me. And, just fumble around with it. And that's pretty much it. So again, don't buy the pro version. And don't buy the Real Doll X app either, because I still don't know if it's updated. Correct me if I'm wrong. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. If you want more of these videos, leave a like and subscribe. And if not, please support me and I'll see what I can do in return for you guys. Thanks for watching.